Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Do you want to quit your 9-to-5, but you find yourself constantly giving up on those dreams? Today, we are diving deep into 3 reasons why we quit pursuing our goals and how we can overcome them. Reason number 1 is that you put limits on your abilities. Many of us have experienced failure or setbacks in the past, leading us to believe that we lack the willpower to see things through. But here's the truth. Willpower isn't the deciding factor in achieving our goals. It's grit, the unwavering determination to keep going despite the challenges. That's what makes the difference. So instead of limiting ourselves by assuming we'll quit, we should ask ourselves, how badly do I want this? Where there is a genuine desire, there is always a way. Remember, limits are just excuses waiting to be shattered by our determination and perseverance. The second reason a lot of people quit before they really should is a lack of investment. Sometimes achieving our goals requires more than just wanting them. It might involve acquiring tools, seeking help, even investing money. You want to consider viewing your goal as a return on investment where the effort and resources that you put in are going to yield significant rewards. If you find yourself repeatedly quitting, maybe it's because you haven't fully invested in your goal. You are worth what you're willing to spend on yourself to achieve your goals. Recognize that. And recognize that investing in yourself is not selfish, but necessary for your growth and success. When you have skin in the game, it becomes a whole lot harder to quit and give up. All right, the third reason that you might be quitting when you shouldn't is a lack of willingness. This is kind of a tough point to swallow, but the lack of willingness, when it comes down to it, so many people quit because they aren't willing to do what it takes to achieve their desires. Excuses become like a wall blocking their path instead of a door to break down and step through. So instead of pushing through that door, we tend to just stand still and not even try. If you resonate with this, it's time for some deep self-assessment. Start by acknowledging your lack of willingness and ask yourself why. Embrace the discomfort and commit to making small daily efforts to become the person you aspire to be. Remember, change does not happen overnight, but it does happen when you keep pushing forward, taking those baby steps, and chasing those dreams you have on your heart. Mama, quitting, it's not going to bring you closer to your goals, and it's not going to get you there any faster. It is time to break free from the cycle of quitting and embrace the journey towards achieving your dreams. Stop making excuses and start taking action. Remember, you have the power to push past your limits. You have the power to invest in yourself and cultivate unwavering willingness to achieve what you truly desire. Now, if you desire replacing your income and working from home with your babies, then I have a free workshop coming up this Thursday, September 28th at 6 p.m. that is just for you. I'm going to be teaching you the 5 P's of becoming a successful virtual assistant so you can replace your income, work from home with those babies, pay off all those student loans, take those dream family vacations, everything you desire. Get registered for that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop or find the link in the show notes. All right, y'all. You've got this. You can do this. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep pushing forward. I believe in you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtualassistantmama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.